Okay, alright guys, this is it. Round 2. Peyton's in the lead right now at 115. We'll see if that lead holds. Next up we got Adryanna's. And let's begin. Okay. So, let's just go for it here. Here's a 10. Let's start with a 10. Gentle. Gentle. Okay, here's 10. 15. 20. 25. Doing pretty good. 35. 45. 50. Ooh, doing pretty good. 55. 60. Wow. 70. 75. Oops. Well, it's doing good. 80. 85. Oof. Kidding me here. Good thing. I'm losing track of the weights, but the thing is taking it. Wow. Okay. Gotta improvise here. Running out of small plates. Oh boy, good job. Wow. I don't have much left. Wow. Yeesh. Yeah. Figure something out here. Oh, this is gonna do it, I think. Wow. Unbelievable. I have no idea how this thing's holding up. These are literally the last two things that goes. Ooh. You guys got to see this. I got vices on there. I got no more weight. Wow, Adryanna, I don't know what you did. Look at it, it's twisting. It's definitely set to go. Oh, yeah, something else to throw in there. Hold on, guys. Sorry for the wobbly camera. Huh. Gonna hold. Okay. Like I'm literally down to nothing. Gotta use metal. I'm gonna hang a crowbar. The bucket's breaking. The bucket's breaking. Woo! Wow. I have no idea how to get any more weight on here. There's a bar. Oh! Gee whiz. Wow. Wow, look, it literally broke the bucket. So, gotta get this stuff weighed. You can see here, the hooks are gone. It's just totally sheared off, and the whole thing split down the center. Never seen that happen before. That's insane. So, good job, Adryanna. 146 pounds. Wow. All right. Next up is Lucas's. I had to switch to the big crate. So, the bucket's busted. And so far, so good. All right, we shall see what is going. Lucas, this didn't go together. I had to cut a little bit of your little bumper here off with the tin snips. So that's the best I can do. I didn't have time to get you to fix that. But just so you know, a little bit of alteration there. Otherwise, this hook would have never fit inside that slot. So just making do is what we do. All right, here we go. Let's start with a good bit of weight. Let's go with 10. Let's just start with 10. Okay, well, we're getting some flex already. So I'm not sure if Adryanna's record is going to be in danger here, but we'll see. It's 20. Ooh. You never know, these things could flex and settle in. Let it just go. It's 30. Plus the bucket. Must weigh about 7. That's at least 40. It's bending. That's my flex. Okay, let's go for this one. Oh, didn't even touch it. Here's Lucas's. As you can see, the everything just snapped away. Hooks just went. The bottom one, once that separated, pew, that was it. 66 pounds. Good job. Okay, next up we have Lola. Alright, let's do it. We'll start with 10 pounds. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright. Now as we can see, just smashed. Just split that right away. Okay, 10 pounds. Okay, next up we got James. Alright, James, let's do this. That's in pretty good shape. Got a little flexing, but not bad. The whole camera went. Yikes. This is hazardous. Here's James's. You can see the hooks just busted out. 66. Tied with Lucas. Last up is Austin. But as you can see, Austin did not leave any place to put the hooks. So I got to bring this to the drill press and drill this out so I can actually hook the hooks to it. So I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Last but not least, we got Austin's. I had to drill 2 holes down in there. I'll show you in a minute. We got a lot of plastic there, so I think this is gonna carry a lot of weight, but will he get close to Adryanna? I don't know. So I'm gonna start off pretty heavy. So I gotta get up there. Okay. Alright. Let's do this thing. Oh, damn it. get up to 50, I'm gonna pause this and use the 50-pound plate because I think we're gonna quite a bit of weight here. I'm gonna run out of weights again. I don't know. It's starting to flex pretty good in here. I'm just gonna keep going with this. Let's just kind of see what we can do. 'Cause it may not make it. All right, so. Now I'm down to the small plates. I think I'm gonna run out of weight if I don't. Let's try this first. Put in the other vise. Oh, there it goes. Anyway, you can see what happened. Bottom one broke. That was enough. You can see the holes that I had to drill out to hold the hook. Should have looked for that in the building, but okay. 110 pounds, good, respectable score. But Adryanna is the clear winner. All right, congratulations.